Hello, I'm Rock, brand manager for Lanikai, here with a quick overview of our multi-string instruments, picking style. Okay, that's a 4-string, so pretty familiar sound. This is the 5-string. And this is where we add a lower octave on the G string. So you can hear that resonance in the bass there. Moving on to our 6th string, we have octaves on this one as well, but in different places than we had them on the 5. So we have them on the C and the A. So you can hear the resonance that the deep octave on the high end brings, a completely different layer. And then finally, this is our 8-string version. This is where we have octaves on the low 2 strings, and then we have unison on these strings. So that's the picking style. And you can see how each one brings a different layer, a different presence. And I encourage you to check one out at a dealer near you and see how it would apply to the style of music you play.